The term dot refers to a small round mark or point that is commonly used. The current exchange rate of the US dollar is valued at $5.03 with an intraday trading volume of 102,719,970. The analysis of the Polkadot cryptocurrency reveals a positive market sentiment as of today, with a 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, resting at 6.65 cents, which, according to prevalent beliefs from August 0 to August 4, 2023, is of great significance. This video aims to provide a comprehensive analysis of the costs associated with Polkadots. We will focus on the present and near future, addressing frequently asked questions and elaborating key factual information. What are the typical short-term cost projections for Polkadot? Furthermore, before delving into a technical analysis of .com, let's discuss the current economic climate. This is an essential consideration. The market analysis, conducted over the previous 24 hours, revealed a decline of 1.84, resulting in a total market valuation for digital currency of $1,169,239,238,148. This significant decline suggests that the perceived levels of support and resistance for Polkadot were not as effective as initially anticipated. Furthermore, the current total trading volume of $2,924,660,437 demonstrates the need for a more nuanced understanding of Polkadot's support and resistance levels. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a sort of huge manner, or so they thought, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to 29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%, or so they explicitly, for the most part, thought. Amazingly various elected digital currencies as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.43 coming to 1844.19 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner while distributing. This blog BNB exchanged at 242.47 following a value change of 0.78 inside a similar timespan. Fundamentally, in spite of prevalent thinking, XRPD, especially local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.01 and as of now exchanging at 66 cents in a decently fundamentally large matter. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77 in Esteem, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33, which fundamentally is very huge. These instances effectively indicate that the market is currently experiencing a significant downward trend which holds considerable importance in the present moment. A significant and widespread decline can be observed in the cryptocurrency market, with significant support and resistance levels being identified through technical indicators. Support levels indicate a point where buyers become more active and prevent the price from falling further, whereas resistance levels indicate a point where sellers become more active. The purpose of this study is to examine the dynamic nature of the coin's price movement and its potential to prevent further price increases. Additionally, this analysis will investigate Polkadot's support and resistance levels to highlight its subtle characteristics. Based on a comprehensive analysis of the pricing factors, the execution was meticulously carried out. The current market price of the Polkadot cryptocurrency is approximately $5.03 with a trading volume of approximately $102.719.970. The measure of the increase in cost for incredibly, which is of significant magnitude, was observed to be 0.27 over the past 24 hours. The assessment period is scheduled to occur between August 0 and August 4, 2023. Utilizing the Relative Strength Index RSI moving average. The current era is marked by a significant and pervasive decline in the cryptocurrency market, an example of the concept of combination and dissimilarity. The MAC indicator contains varying levels of support and resistance over various time intervals. It also includes moving midpoints, which are extremely useful for distinguishing typical and minute changes. Furthermore, the MAC indicator is especially effective at detecting significant data shifts. The active relocation is aesthetically pleasing and consistent with societal norms. The Electronic Administration of Evaluation. This investigation primarily aims to evaluate the potential future development of the Polkadot network. The Polkadot cryptocurrency has experienced a significant decline in its support levels, indicating a challenging future. In the past 24 hours, market analysis reveals a decrease of 1.84, resulting in the total cryptocurrency market capitalization reaching $1,169,279, 238.148 USD. This is evidenced by the decline in Polkadot's price below the key support level of $5.80. Furthermore, the Williams %R indicator for Polkadot stands at 33.803 for the last 14 days, indicating a neutral market condition. Index of relative strength with an RSI value of 38, the DOT coin is approaching the oversold zone according to the relative strength index. Additionally, Coco's BCX experienced a 0.77-point decrease in value, resulting in a price of $0.60. This demonstrates that Bitcoin has a 48.66 market share, while Ethereum has a 16.33 market share. It is believed that the US dollar is currently exhibiting a relatively average combination and disparity. The MAC indicator indicates the current time with a high degree of accuracy. A buy signal is typically generated when the MAC line is consistently positioned above the signal line, indicating a bull ISH trend. The recent 2% increase in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has caused people to ponder what it could mean for buyers. As the market continues to fluctuate, the question arises as to whether or not this increase indicates that now is a good time to consider purchasing Bitcoin. Michael Saylor's views on Bitcoin's future integration. In a recent radio interview, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor discussed the growing trend of large companies adopting Bitcoin and making it the center of their business. Saylor emphasized that third parties and businesses will always be a part of the Bitcoin ecosystem and that as Bitcoin becomes more prevalent in society, different ways to use it will emerge and a one-size-fits-all solution may not be possible. 3 reasons were given by Saylor as to why the Bitcoin space requires custodians: technical politics, security, and governance. Bitcoin price prediction: as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's thoughts on the future of Bitcoin integration. In a recent radio interview, Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, talked about how he sees the growing trend of big companies adopting